Hi everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for joining me. So today we're going to be doing a layout and we're going to be using some Simple Stories pages. These are the Simple Stories Simple Pages page kit, and this is what they look like. And I had these in my stash and I thought, you know what, I can add some of these cute little shakers from Clear Scraps to this to these pages, and I just think that they will be so stinking cute. So even though we already have, like, they give you a layout of what to do and everything with the items that are inside of their layout or their page kit, we're going to go ahead and kind of mix things up a bit. So, because we're going to be using these cute little pumpkins, and I think they're going to be adorable on these pages. So, I may go ahead and bring in some other things that I have from Clear Scraps. So, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to go ahead and take the film off of both of these pumpkins acetates. So so for this layout, you're going to need two of the shaker pumpkins. They're called the tall shaker pumpkins, and for the acetate, you're going to take off the film off of both sides of those. Okay, next you get 3 frames, and you see me here adhering 2 of the frames together. And then we're going to paint the whole pumpkin, or the base pumpkin, okay? And I'm painting that orange. And I think I did a couple of coats. I can't remember, but I did do a few coats. You're going to grab one of the frames, the standalone frame. This is going to be your top frame for your shaker. So this is the frame that's going to sit on top of your acetate, okay? And then the other frames, the 2 frames that you had put together, that is going to be the middle part where you're going to put your shaker pieces. So the next thing I'm doing here is I'm just painting the pumpkin again. I'm putting another coat on top, and I went ahead and painted the stem green, okay? And then now I'm putting a second coat on the top of the pumpkin frame. So you're going to go ahead and do that for both pumpkins. Now, after my pumpkins dried, I went ahead and grabbed a stamp from my stash that had this cute pumpkin face on it, and I went ahead and stamped it on top of these pumpkins. I thought it looked so stinking cute, and I just love how it turned out. So, yeah, so if you have stamps or a stencil or anything like that, definitely pull those out and use those for the face of your pumpkin, or even just like a chevron stencil or anything. That would be such a cute pattern on these chipboard shaker pumpkins. Now we're going to go ahead and put these pumpkins together. So you're going to go ahead and place glue on the outside of that frames that you stuck together, and then what you're going to do is you're going to set your acetate down, and then you're going to stick the top frame that we painted on top of that acetate. So that is going to be your shaker, and then you're going to go ahead and flip that over, and then you're going to place your shaker pieces on the inside of that, and then place the bottom piece with the little pumpkin face on the bottom. So that's how we're going to put these together. So yeah, so I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I think that these little tall pumpkins are so stinking cute, and they're so fun, right? And that's what I like about these, is that you can decorate these little pumpkins either just with paint and faces, or you can go ahead and put paper on them as well. So now we're adding our little shaker bits, and these shaker bits are actually from the black and white sequins are from Clear Scraps, and they are the wedding shaker bits. Okay, so when you head to the store, you'll just go over and check those out, and I will have links to everything that I use in this video down below in the description box for you. So now I'm going to go ahead and place my little bottom pieces of the pumpkin on top, okay? And you're just going to make sure that those are sealed really good. So make sure you press pretty hard and burnish them down. And there's that one. And then we are done with the little shakers. And now we can go ahead and put our layouts together. So now I'm going to bring over the perforated sheets, and these have all of your pieces for your layouts. And that's what I love about these scrapbook kits, page kits from Simple Stories, is that everything is already there for you. All you have to do is just punch it out and put it together. So here I'm laying down both of these large circles, and I'm going to go ahead and put down the little strips that come with these layouts so they mirror each other. Now the pages won't be the exact same, they will be different, but certain elements that are in both of these pages will mirror each other. So next we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the photo mats and put those together. And I'm just kind of getting a feel for where I want everything. So once I get everything down where I wanted it, I went ahead and glued everything down. So these are the photo mats. So there's 3 photos that will be placed on this piece. And then I went ahead and used some of the chipboard pieces and the perforated element pieces on this layout. And I think they all look so great together. Now I did go ahead and I added the pumpkin in here, of course, and you will see that in just a minute. And then I went ahead and added this little moon and some of the little stars and such, and then that little bat. That little bat was so stinking cute. I could not have him in my layout. I love the little ghosties in this paper collection, or in this page kit. It's so stinking cute, and the little ghosties are just one of the highlights in this page kit. Also, here is the pumpkin, and I went ahead and placed him down right there on the edge, and then I thought it would look so cute. Doesn't it look so cute there? I think that shakers are such a fun interactive element to your page, and they just make them so fun. So if you haven't tried shakers on your scrapbook pages, I think you need to try one. Next, we're going to go ahead and use these really nice chipboard oak trees that are from Clear Scraps, and I'll have the link down below for you. They just add a really nice element to your project. And here I'm going to use, I believe I used the round one for this one. I wanted the full one, but I think the full one I'm going to use on a different project. So now I'm just adding tape to the back of these little houses, and these little houses come in the page kit, and this is so cute. I just love it. And there's our little shaker pumpkin up in that right hand, down in the below, I guess, the right hand corner. So he's gonna sit right there, and he's so stinking cute. I just absolutely love him. So anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and sit these. I'm just kind of, you know, again, getting a feel where I want everything, and I decided to put him on the left hand side instead of the right hand side. And now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to glue him down. And then I remembered that I wanted a photo to go underneath him, so I went ahead and wiped some of the glue away from the bottom of the pumpkin. So now I'm just taking off the back of the tape of these houses, and I'm just setting them up on top of the page. And this is the tree that we did. So this tree is actually sprayed with and done with black soot, and also with some mica stains from Tim Holtz. And I used the Omnius Twilight, and then I also used Phantom Mist. I used a little bit of the specimen on there as well for that tree. And then I painted the trunk of the tree brown. So it does have a little, I thought brown would be okay with the trunk of the tree. And yeah, I thought it looked okay. Now I'm adding my little photo mats to this layout, and I know I'm a little bit out of screen there, but I bring it down so you can see, and then I'm adding the other photo mat on top of there. And I was going to try to put you know, something behind the photo, but I thought, you know, I'm just going to leave it. I think it looks great just like that. And I didn't want any like other color. I really like the black and the orange together, so I really thought I'd just stay with that. Now my photo mats measure 4x6, okay, and I just left it 4x6 because some of my pictures may be a little bit smaller, and that way I could just cut them down to fit, you know, inside of that 4x6 photo mat. So now I'm placing some foam tape on the back of this cute little ghostie and sticking him right there next to my tree. And I think it looks so cute. Absolutely love it. So next I'm poking out some of these chipboard stars that are within the page kit, and I'm just placing those around the outer edge of the layout. And I think they look so cute. I love the different colors in this page kit. I like the black and the green together. Really think that is a nice combination with the black and the orange. So next we're going to add a sentiment, and I really liked this trick or treat one, and so I went ahead and added some foam tape on the back of that just to give it a bit of a lift, and I think it looked perfect. Okay, so here is our second page of our little layout using these cute little pumpkins, and then I used that little tree from the clear scraps. It is called oak trees, and I have one tree left, and I'm going to save that for another project. But using this cute little tree here with the little shakers, I think it looks so cute. So I just absolutely love how these turned out. Here is our other page that we just finished. Let me bring that over. So how cute are these two pages going to look together in your scrapbook? So how cute, right? So I just love these little pumpkin shakers. I think it's really neat that you can use your little pumpkin stamp faces, or you can even draw on faces on these little pumpkins. I think it's so stinking cute. So I hope you guys liked today's project. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care. I have all the links down below for you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks so much for joining me today. Please head over to Clear Scraps and check out their shop. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell for future notifications on all upcoming videos, tutorials, YouTube hops, and my live shows, 4:30 on Fridays Central Time.